All right, so the first step is to read it. I am going to be watching your lips as you read along with me. Looking for those cameras to come back on. Get them on, get them on. A red scarf cost $36, and that is 3 times as much as a blue scarf cost. How much does the blue scarf cost? All right, we need some important information. What do we know? What do we know from this word problem? What do I know?
Akaya.
We know that a red scarf costs $36.
Good job.
Natalie, what else do we know?
And we also know that a blue scarf costs 3 times as much as the red one.
Do we know that? This is where it gets tricky. You got to pay attention to the language in the word problem. A red scarf cost $36. And that is, Micaiah, your eyes need to be open and you need to be focused. That is, what does the word is mean in math?
Jessica.
Equals.
Equals. So what this is saying is a red scarf costs $36, and that is, this is 3 times as much as the blue scarf. So the red scarf is, excuse me, the red scarf is $36, and that is or equals 3 times as much as the blue scarf. So, is the blue scarf going to be more or less than the red scarf? What do you think? If you think more, you'll give me an M. If you think less, you'll give me an L. Blue scarf. And this is why this is the hardest type of problem we have. You should be giving me a less. And I don't know if that's right on the camera, but you should be giving me a less. The red scarf is $36. So for this problem, I would be putting the cost of my red scarf equals $36. So this whole line from the beginning to the end is $36. Okay? The other thing that I know is that the red scarf is $36, and $36 is 3 times as much as the blue scarf. So that's telling me right now that 3 times something is going to give me the 36 that I need for the red scarf. Okay? So if my red scarf is $36, I'm going to do this to the best of my ability. My red scarf takes up that much space. My red scarf is 3 times as much as my blue scarf. my blue scarf is less than my red scarf because something times 3 gives me 36. So I would put my blue scarf right here. Do I know how much my blue scarf cost yet? Not yet. I need to figure it out. What can I do to figure out 3 times something is 36? What's another way I could write that?
Giovanni.
36 divided by 3.
Absolutely. If I want to know the answer, I could say 36 divided by 3 equals something. How can I figure that out? Who wants to tell me what to do to figure it out? If I don't know my multiplication and division facts, what can I do to figure it out?
Aiden.
You can count by 3 until you get to 36.
I sure can. So I'm going to erase this so I can do that. I'm going to do my multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. How many times did I do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that tells me that each one of my bars should be $12. This should be $12. The whole thing is 36, but this should be $12. And this should be $12. Because the whole thing is 36 for the red scarf. So my blue scarf should cost $12. Let's see if that makes sense. A red scarf costs $36, and that is 3 times as much as a blue scarf. Is 3 times 12, does that give me 36? How could I check that?
Henry.
You could use division and go 36 divided by 3 equals 12.
I sure could. But since I've got my answer, I'm just going to check, and I'm going to skip count by 12s now. 12, 24, 36. When I skip count by 12s, is 12 3 times 36? Yes, it is. So because this is right, and because 12 times is 36, I know that my answer is correct. The hardest thing about this, guys, is going to be making sure that your model makes sense. We have made example pages for you whenever you complete your work tomorrow, but we're not giving you an assignment today because we want you to hear this 2 times before you get an assignment, okay? So you do not have a math assignment today, but your iReady and your extra math, you need to be working on both of those things. Thumbs up if you understand. Okay? This video will be available for you on YouTube later today.